Hi guys, happy Monday. I hope you had a good weekend. I miss you, I love you. Let's get started on our math lesson today. Let's do our days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Today is what? Yep, today is Monday. What's the date today? It's the 20th. You are right. That's a 20. What's the month? What month are we in? April. Good job. Let's say the whole date. Today is Monday, April 20th, 2020. Today's Monday. What was yesterday? Good. As we go. Sunday, Monday. So yesterday was Sunday. What's tomorrow gonna be? Comes after Monday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. You guys are good. All right. What season is it? Spring. And it is doing this right now, isn't it? What is it doing outside? It is raining outside. Put up our rain picture. Got my rain picture. All right. Let's move and do our lesson today. Look up. We are going to talk about fractions. Now, I would like you, after today, so the rest of the week, to bring some paper and a pencil, something to write with, okay? So we can draw some things. But today I'm just going to show you what we're talking about. We are going to talk about equal parts. Okay? Can you see my screen? Good. All right. I have a heart with a line through it. I have a square with a line through it. I have a circle with some lines through it. And I have a triangle with some lines through it. Okay? Now, I have different equal parts. This, in my heart, how many parts do you see to my heart? How many parts of my heart? I got one over here, right? And one over here. How many parts is that? Two. Everybody say two. Okay. My heart is split into halves. Say it with me. Halves. Let me hear you say it. Halves. Halves is two equal parts. Remember last week we were talking about equal fair share? Yeah. A fraction has to have equal parts. So my heart is a fraction because it has two equal parts. Over here, I've got my square. How many equal parts do you see? Put a line in each one. Two. So my square is split into halves. Do you see another shape in my screen that has halves? Two equal parts. Do you see it? Yes, good. Down here, this circle right here is an equal part, equal part. So it's got one, two equal parts, so that's another half. I'm going to move my screen up. Do you see any shapes now that have halves? Two equal parts. Good. There's my triangle, has one, two equal parts. What else? My star has two equal parts. And my circle has 2 equal parts. Yep. This is called a pentagon. It's got 5 sides and it's divided equally. So it's not letting me color in there, but yes. All right, beautiful. Now let's go back up a little bit. Look at this circle. Everybody see this circle right here? How many parts do you see in that circle? 4. And they're all the same size. So this is a fraction as well because they're equal parts. So look right here. We got 1, 2, 3. And they're letting me write 3, 4. 4 equal parts. That's called fourths. Everybody say fourths. What is it called again? Fourths, because there's 4 equal parts. Look over here. Look at my square right here. You see it? So they split it into 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. So this is a square split into fourths. See that? Look at, I'm going to move this up a little bit so I can write on it. Look at this circle. Do you see any lines on it? Right here? This one right here? No. There are no lines because it's not a fraction. That's called a whole. Everybody say whole. Whole. Good. So this is like if you got a pizza and it wasn't cut. Or when you get handed a cookie. It's a complete circle, right? But over here, if you wanted to split your pizza, if you and your mom, you wanted to share it, you would draw an equal line down the middle to make it equal. So you could get half of the pizza and mom could get half of the pizza. If you had say this is some type like a Hershey bar, and you had 4 pieces left, right? You would give 1, 2, 3, 4 for you and 3 friends. So like this could be me, 1 for Miss Cosby, 1 for Miss Kalkis, and 1 for Miss Payne. Right? And we get equal. That way no one's upset because nobody gets an unequal or an unfair amount. Okay? So here, watch me draw a line. I'm going to draw a line to split this circle somewhere. Okay? Drew a line. Look at my circle now. Is this the same as this? Is this amount in here the same as this amount in here? No, it's not. It's not equal, is it? It's not fair share. This is not a half. A half must be equal parts. So this right now, I didn't make a half. Ooh, Miss Reisner just did the wrong thing. Wrong button. Sorry, guys. Let's see, how do I make it? Can I make this go away? Oops, if I click it, and I delete. Now let me try another one. What if I drew a line like this? Is my circle equal now? Is this amount up here the same as this amount down here? No, that's not a half. Okay, see that? Let's try another one. So over here, this is a fourth because it has 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. Each of these pieces, if I took them out and I laid them on top of each other, they'd all be the same size. So this is fourths. This is a fraction of the circle because it's 4 equal parts. Let me try and draw some lines over here. Let me see if I go like this, and then I go like this, okay? And I'm going to do 1 part here, 1 part here, 1 part here, 1 part here. Did I divide that circle into fourths? This one right here? No, I didn't. Why not? You're right. all these parts aren't the same size. So this is not a fraction. This is just some crazy drawing that Miss Reisner did. Let's try again. Let's see if I can get rid of these. All right, what if I did this? Is that a fraction? Nope, you're right. It's not, because look, this part's not the same as that part, which isn't the same as that part, which isn't the same as that part. What if I erase all of these again, and I just have this circle back? What is that called? This is a whole. Good job. Let's look down here. All right, right here, I've got this. Is this a fraction? Is this square right here a fraction? Yes, you're right, because it's got 4 equal parts. This is the same as this, which is the same as that, which is the same as that. Is this a fraction? Yep, you're right. It is a fraction because these 4 parts are all equal, and this is fourths. So this is called 1/4. This is a fourth. This is a fourth. And this is a fourth. They are all fourths. This is a half. This is a half. 1/2, 1/2. What is this? Fourths or halves? Good. These are fourths. And this is a fraction because each part is equal. All right. Let me see if I can get you my last one. Let me move this. Let me do this. Let's see if I can split. Did I have a square? I wish I could get that up there somehow. Can I move my screen? Oh, there we go. All right. But it won't let me write that down there, will it? Okay. So here I've got a square. I can make that square into a fraction or not a fraction. I'm going to draw a line, and if it's a fraction, put a thumb up. You see me? Where's my thumb? If it's not a fraction, thumb down. Why can't we see my thumb? Thumb down. Okay? Ready? I'm going to draw a line. I hope your thumb's down, because that's not a fraction. This is not the same as that. All right, let me try another one. And now Miss Reisner's going to do the best she can. Yes, it's supposed to be a fraction. This side is the same as that side. Hopefully, it looks like it to you. It looks like it to me. So, is that a half or a fourth? Good. It's a half because it's 2 equal parts. Do another one. My line's a little crooked. What do you think? Fraction? Not fraction. It's supposed to be a fraction, yeah, because this is supposed to be the same as that, which is supposed to be the same as that. Is it perfect? No. Miss Reisner's this drawing tool is a little tricky. And that was fourths because it was 4 equal parts. Let's try one more. Ready? What do you think? Yes, fraction. And is it halves or fourths? Good, halves. Actually, if I do this, now I have fourths, 4 equal parts. All right, what I want you to do today is practice. You can maybe fold some paper, see if you can make some halves, or draw some things, see if you can make some halves and fourths. Draw things that are equal, things that aren't equal, fractions that are equal, non-fractions, fractions, non-fractions, okay? I love you, I miss you, and I will see you next time, guys. Bye.